Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix battery drain issue on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. There are several things that we can do in order to try to fix the issue with battery running out really quickly. So we're gonna open settings, and then in the settings you want to scroll down and go to battery. Over here we have several different options that some of them are worth enabling, and in some cases it is worth to disable some. So, for instance, we can go to battery usage details, and over here you should be able to find apps that are using the battery the most, which will help you optimize the battery for specific apps. But before we go there, we can also go to optimize battery usage, and over here we can extend battery life by specific amount depending on what we choose. So if you really want to save the battery, you can change the screen refresh rate to 60 Hz. You can enable auto brightness, you can change the auto screen off time if it's changed, of course, and so on and so forth. Over here you will see a bunch of different suggestions that you can turn on or off based on if you prefer them or not. And after that you can just tap save power in order to confirm the action. Now let's go back. Over here, while we are in the battery settings, of course it is worth enabling smart charging and charging limit as well. And both these cases allow you to slow down battery aging by quite a bit, and especially if you tend to charge the device a lot. So if you enable smart charging, the device will learn your charging habits and adjust charging patterns accordingly. And when the battery level reaches 80%, it may automatically defer charging to 100% until shortly before you need to use it. So it is worth enabling this option, and the same goes with charging limit. You can of course choose one or the other. The charging limit is more of a default one, so this one just prevents charging to 100%, and when you charge your device it will stop at 80% instead. And of course this will help you keep the battery in a healthy state for a little bit longer. So choose one of these two options. I think it's worth enabling at least one of them. Well, we can use one of them only, but it is worth enabling one or the other depending on your preference. Now over here we can also go to more settings, and the next thing that I want to show you is the high performance mode. And we need to make sure that this option is actually disabled, because if you turn on high performance mode, the device will perform its best, of course. This mode will try to get as much as possible out of this device, but this will also increase power consumption and can heat up the device. So if you don't need to use it, turn this off and enable it only when really necessary, for instance for certain games. And we also have the sleep standby optimization, which allows the device to consume less power and send fewer notifications when you are asleep. So this, once again, tries to learn your sleeping patterns in order to save the battery. And we can also go to optimize battery usage in order to optimize battery when using certain apps. So for instance, we can go to TikTok, and then we can choose always ask, don't optimize, and auto optimize. So ideally I think you want to use auto optimize for as many apps as possible. And remember when I shown you the battery usage details, so over here you had those apps that you use the most. Based on that fact, you can go to those settings over here, and then you can choose those apps in order to auto optimize them. And that's pretty much it. This is everything that you can do in terms of the battery settings to fix the draining issue. And of course, I also forgot to mention the power saving mode. Definitely it is worth enabling the automated battery saving mode. You can enable this option, turn on at specified battery level, and then you can choose a specific percentage, after which the power saving mode will be enabled. So you can use something like 50% or maybe even 25%. It's really up to you when you want to activate it. Ideally, I think you want to use it somewhere between 20 to 30%. And yeah, we also have the video battery saver, so this is also worth enabling. If needed, over here we can read the description. And of course, remember to disable apps that are running in the background. So keep that in mind, check that from time to time, and just turn off apps that you don't use. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!